Namaste everyone. Let us solve one more problem. We have to find the value of 6th root of 15 minus 2 root 56 into 3rd root of root 7 plus 2 root 2. Now here we first write what is given. This is 6th root of 15, this is 15, I will write this 15 minus 2 root 56. Now this 56 can be written as 7 8 is 56, so this I can write as 7 into 8 into, here we have 3rd root of root 7 plus 2 root 2. Okay, now this first bracket, as here we have root 7, this 8 can be written as 2 into root 2. So what I can say that this is 6th root of, now here first I will write this minus term, minus 2 into 2 root 2 into root 7. Okay, so this is something like 2ab. So here this 15 we have to write as a square plus b square, that is this 15 can be written as 8 plus 7. Now here we will keep this as it is, that is 3rd root of root 7 plus 2 root 2. Now again here it is 6th root. Now this 8, it is nothing but 2 root 2 the whole square plus this 7 we can write as root 7 the whole square. Then we have minus 2 into 2 root 2 into root 7 into 3rd root of root 7 plus 2 root 2. They are in multiplication. Now here this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I can write this as a minus b the whole square, that is 2 root 2 minus root 7 the whole square. This is 6th root, and here in second bracket we have 3rd root of root 7 plus 2 root 2. Now this is, if you write, this can be written as 2 root 2 minus root 7. 6th root means 1 upon 6 and square means into 2. Into this I will write as root 7 plus 2 root 2, or I will revert the order and I will write this as 2 root 2. First I will write 2 root 2 plus root 7 the whole power 1 upon 3. Now this is 2 root 2 minus root 7 the whole power 1 upon 3, and this is 2 root 2 plus root 7 the whole power 1 upon 3. Now this is something like a power b into c power b. So that I can write as a into c, that is I will write this as 2 root 2 minus root 7 in one bracket and 2 root 2 plus root 7 in other bracket and whole power 1 upon 3. Now this is a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b is a square, that is 2 root 2 square. So 2 root 2 square is what? 4 into 2 minus, here it is 7, and whole power we have 1 upon 3. So 4 to the 8 minus 7 the whole power 1 upon 3, and finally we will get answer as 8 minus 7 is 1. So it is 1 power 1 upon 3, which is 1. So the final answer for this question is 1. I hope you understand how we simplified this. Thank you.